Okay, this is going to be important if you're conflict avoidant or if you have someone in your life who is conflict avoidant. This is what's going on. Usually, they're tolerating the situation. They may be quiet, they may give hints, they may be passive aggressive, but they're tolerating the situation. They go between that and the shutdown or blow up mode, which is really rough for everybody. And they go back and forth between the two because important conversations there in that middle, that zone, is known to them as difficult conversations, and they're not safe. So that zone is not safe for them. That's something that they've been conditioned to believe based on their experience. This is what's going on. This is what the problem has been. It's very painful for someone who's conflict avoidant to be going back and forth between tolerating and shutting down or blowing up. And then when they shut down and blow up, they realize they've been out of control, and quite often they get blamed for being the problem. Somebody who suffers in these zones right here has a shortage of boundaries, and they usually don't make sure that their voice is heard. They don't even know how to have their voice heard, and a lot of them don't even know what boundaries are. The answer here is for them to create a safe space for themselves, to have environments and relationships that are safe, to find their voice, to be ready to set and maintain boundaries, to be in that place and understand that it's safe. So a partner or a friend who can help with this would be to help create and hold that safe space for someone who's conflict avoidant. Look back in your history. This has been a problem, and it's very painful, and it feels very disempowering. Again, I address all this and lots more goodies in my Optimizing Relationship course. Look at my resources as well. Pass this on to anyone that you think may find it helpful. There's many people out there who are suffering, not able to go into these important conversations, to feel safe going into them, to value going into them. This is why we have so many problems in communications and relationships.